So as you can see, there's something written here. What you will learn is how to change font size and fonts, how to change alignment using the bold and underlining option, and using word drop or soft return. So we will read the instruction first, or the directions. You open a blank document, any word processing document. So it's this one. And let's just zoom in. So you change the font style to Arial and size 14. Now, normally in any word processing, primarily in Microsoft Word, you can find that here under the Home tab and this word, or this side. It contains the font name and the font size. So we'll find Arial. I'll choose Arial and size 14. So there. Oops, didn't change to size 14. Size 14. Okay. So that's Arial in size 14. Then type the first name and last name and hit enter once. Now, the hit enter here is the enter key in your keyboard. So, example, on De La Cruz, hit enter once. So, if you notice, the cursor went down. So, that's what the instruction says. So, type activity 1 and hit enter 2 times. So, activity 1, 2 times, 1, 2. So, I hit enter 2 times. Then, on the fifth direction, type the name of your school in a different font using size 18. Press enter 2 times afterwards. So, Computer Science High School of Bicolandia. But sir, you didn't change the font. I know. So what you do is you highlight and you pick a different font. Example, I'd like to use this one. Arial Black and size 18. It says size 18. Then hit enter twice. So 1, 2. Hit enter 2 times. Okay. Change the font to Times New Roman size 16. Okay, we go back to font, find Times New Roman, and size 16. Type the following paragraph using word drop. Now, if you have read the module, word drop means you do not hit the enter key at the end of the line. You just let the computer move to the next line when it's ready. Do not indent. At the end of each paragraph, press twice 2 times. Now, word dropping is just simply typing beyond the the margins of the documents. Example, the margin of this one is set here. This one, this line. Then the margin of this one is set here. So if ever I type something like this one, word dropping means like that. I just let the computer go to the next line without me actually trying to enter or hit the enter key. So let's type the paragraph. So Master Yoda says that the fear. So Master Yoda says. Wait. Uh, Let me remove this one. So Master Yoda says that fear is the path to the dark side. Fear leads to. If you notice, when I type fear leads to, the cursor automatically goes down. So that is what word dropping means. So anger leads to hate, hate leads to suffering. Master Yoda is very smart. So if you notice again, it went down on its own. Then I'm not pressing any enter key. I'm just typing the paragraph as shown here. I'm just typing here. I could just copy paste it, but the instruction says you type. So I'm typing. Again, I'm not pressing any enter key. I just keep on typing whatever was in the paragraph. So, Emperor Palpatine said that a Jedi gains power through understanding, and a Sith gains understanding through power. There. I didn't press any enter key when I typed the paragraph. But now, again, the instruction says after the end of each paragraph, you have to press enter key 2 times. So, the paragraph here is this one. This is the first paragraph, and this is the second paragraph. So, I have to press 2 times. 1, 2. There. Okay. So, type your name once again. As the instruction says, type your name once again, underline it, italicize it, and bold it. So, if you notice, 1, 2, okay. So, type your name again. Sorry. Italicize it, bold it, and underline it. Now, it can be found here under the text formatting or text styles. This is bold or Control B, italicize or Control I, and underline Control U. So you can either highlight this one and press 1, 2, 3, or you could press the shortcut keys that was shown on your previous modules. So that's the instruction. Then change the first paragraph to right alignment. Align icons to the right of the BUI series. Now, the change alignment can be found here. It says left align text to the left, align text to center, then align text to the right, then justify. Now, the control shortcut or the keyboard shortcuts for this one are Control L, Control E, Control R, and Control J. Now, the instruction says to use the right alignment. So, I have to highlight this one and press Control R or just press this one. So, the text changes to that one. Then, change the second paragraph to justified. Again, highlight. Then, either you press Control J or you press this button. There, it's justified. Okay? So, center your name at the bottom using the center alignment button or icon. Now, I have to highlight this one again, then choose the center. Or either I press Control E. There, it's center. Then, make the name of your school bold. So, this one, I have to press Control B. Wait, doesn't show. So, anyway, I have to change this one. Let's say Calibri. Then, Control B. So, there. Let's change it to another font so we could somehow see it displayed in bold. So, this is the text that it isn't under the bold style. Then when I press Control B, it changes to that. Okay, so